welcome back. I am Megan, and I gotta tell you, I'm getting a bit lazy. I wasn't planning on using these Arteza pouring paints that are all pre-mixed, but my kids are taking a nap. I know I have limited time, so I'm going for it. This color I already had mixed. This is Pearl Pink Tulip, and I used it in another pour, so I already had it. And my plan is to do a ribbon pour with these 4 colors and then fill in the background with gold if there's any space left. I'm not going to pour it and then pour the ribbons on top of it. I'm hoping that the ribbon pour will pretty much stay where I pour it as much as possible. It's going to move some. And like I said, this has silicone and is a bit thinner. And I think I added silicone to this color for another pour. So they are going to move. It's not going to be the perfect ribbon pour that I have in my head, but I have pretty shaky hands, so I'm never great at ribbon pours anyway. I wish I was better. Let's see, do I want to pour out of this? Let's pour on this side. So should have had all the lids off since I have this at an angle. Hi, Mesa. My doggy just came in to say hi. Careful. Hi, girl. She's telling me she needs to go out. Bad timing if that's what she's telling me. It's super cold. We went straight from summer to winter. I think we had like 3 days of fall. Hi, sweetie. I know you can't get to me. I'm sorry. Sorry, she's trying to get to me, and there's some canvases and a box in the way. I really need to clean because this room is my hiding space for Christmas for my kids, so I need to make room. But anyway, we went straight from from summer to winter. I don't know. I asked a bunch of you what your fall was like where you are, and man, some of you have had some beautiful falls. We have gotten a few days here and there of fall weather, but we went from 90 degrees down to like 40 degrees overnight. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Okay. I thought that green was more of a bluish green. I read the name, phthalo green. I knew that if I would have read. This is really pretty. I haven't opened this one before. This is like Basics. What is the Basics color that looks like this? I can't remember. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Okay, I think this might be enough because I can always add more since it's not like a flip cup. I can always add more and do another ribbon. Okay, so make sure this is in camera. Yep, okay. I need to get some cutters out and get this lid off. I can't pull it off. I can't seem to yank it hard enough. Yeah. Oh, God. Not terrible for me. Okay. This is mixing more than I want it to, though, in the bottom here. I'm going to have to get rid of this before I do another one. Not my dream ribbon, but let's try and do a... Ooh, now that one's pretty. Ah, come on, paint. Well, that started off super pretty. And then it decided to go all crazy on me. I really like it. I don't know if you can see those stripes in there. I'm gonna just help it along. I'm glad I'm waiting to add the gold and make this move a bit. Without messing it up. Okay. I like that one actually better than that one. So let's do that same thing with this one. Kind of even it out a bit. Kind of like that. Yeah, I'm gonna fill it in. Actually, I think what I'm gonna do is, let's, here, create kind of a pattern in here with the brush. Okay, let's do it right here too. Okay, I'm gonna do it a few more times, just so we have a consistent pattern throughout this part of the ribbon. Okay. Oop, I thought I saw another spot that needed done, but now I don't see it. Okay, I'm gonna drag this, I'm gonna dip my paintbrush actually. I'm gonna drag this color up here. Well, a little bit anyway. Alright, I'm trying to decide if I want one more ribbon. Maybe right here. I was gonna put it right here, but about right here. Okay. So I have some paint in the bottom there, but whoa, that was more than I wanted. Because it's not gonna take much at all. And I want some of this light purple in there. Alright, that's way more than I need. But it's okay. Get this angle just right. Ah, that's pretty. Probably can't see that coming out of there from your angle. I like that. Okay. So, let me get this off to the side where it's not going to spill or make a mess anywhere. Now I'm going to fill the rest in with gold. If I didn't have tons of gold, I probably wouldn't be using this for this, but I have lots of gold sitting around because I love gold in my pores. Gold negative space, kind of neat. Now I'll definitely need to get the edges because my edges are not covered at all. I could just paint the edges gold. Okay, so I'm just gonna squeeze this on here and then spread it out. Okay, so I decided to kind of feather these two together, and I'm glad I did. I really like it a lot better. And I feathered this edge and sort of feathered this edge and then left the middle a bit more. Oh, I got blue on me. A bit more solid, and I kind of like that. I fiddled, so you know what that means. Let me know in a timestamp, in a comment where you liked it best. If there was a place you would have been like, ooh, you really should have stopped there. I liked it better. I love hearing that because I think it's just the process of making art is a lot different than the process of watching someone make art. And so I always love to hear where other people would have, while they were watching, would have stopped. It's not the ribbon pour that I have in my head that I will perfect one day, maybe. But I really like it. Let's do some close-ups. Okay. Love that gold. It's like, gosh, I just lost my word. Indulgent. All that gold. If my phone would focus, this would be much nicer. I did not do the edges yet. I will do that here in a bit, but there's no need for me to do that on camera. You don't need to watch that. But I really like how that feathered into the gold. I have never done a negative space pour where I poured the negative space color after I did the pour. And, well, I guess I have a couple times when I wasn't really planning on a negative space pour, but usually I pour the color on first. This was really fun, and I would really challenge you to, not challenge, but you know what I mean, to give it a try because it was really kind of neat. And you can see where I didn't feather, focus, it kind of bled a little bit. It made a nice transition from one to the other, and then I feathered it, and it was really kind of neat the way that I did that. So, super happy with this one. So, you know, let me know what you think. Indulgent or just tacky with all that gold. And if this isn't focusing, I'm sorry. I'm really trying. I do not know how to focus on this one. And we will see you next time, guys. Happy pouring.